Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the battery without causing any damage. First, power off your Asus UX32V and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Locate the battery release latch. You will need to unscrew the screws securing the back panel. There are typically 5 screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery clearly. It is usually secured with additional screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. After unscrewing, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a gentle tug, so ensure you are pulling straight out to avoid damaging the connector. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard. Make sure it is securely attached before proceeding. Once connected, replace the screws that hold the battery in place. This will ensure that the battery is firmly secured and won't move around. Before reattaching the back panel, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve airflow and keep your laptop running efficiently. After cleaning, carefully align the back panel with the laptop and press it down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Now, turn your laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Power it on to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, you've successfully replaced the battery in your Asus UX32V. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Additionally, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We're here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.